Mark Chan. I'm a staff member at TDChristian. Today we're recording an album. It's for Ascension, the praise and worship team at TDChristian. So we're going to record different parts or tracks. So we started with drums and bass today. Right now they're doing vocal recording. And pretty soon they'll have other instruments come in, like the violin or flute and guitar. I actually came because I'm a recording artist myself, and I did work out of this same studio, and I was able to see how recording works, and I wanted to share that experience with students, and I wanted them to feel like they could produce a quality piece of work that people would like to listen to.
My name is Andre Spencer and I'm in grade 12.
I'm Katari Loney and I'm in grade 12.
I'm Emily Rapetsky and I'm in grade 12.
Hi, my name is Chloe Campbell and I'm in grade 12.
Hi, my name is Ben Campbell and I'm in grade 9.
I'll just be singing and helping out with the scratch tracks and stuff.
I'm vocals.
I'll be doing vocal, a whole bunch of songs.
And I'll be playing the keyboard.
It's like another family because it's a small group of people. When I started, it was only like 7 people, so we really bonded. And now it's like double, which is amazing. So it's like we're all really connected. We know a lot about each other, and you get to sing with a group who has the same beliefs as you, and it's like a really special experience.
I've never done anything like this before, never.
A simple flame that kept me up, and all the days with the hardships, and in it all.
Hi, Morgan Clark, recording engineer. So I recorded Mark for another project, a couple of projects actually before this. When we finished the whole studio and we were recording, I think he was like, well, I've got a talented group of kids, I wonder if we could record them. And it kind of went from that to let's do a full album pretty quickly. So
what do you gotta do?
Lots. I then gotta kind of go through each individual track and make sure timing's correct and make sure all the structure and everything matches each other. And then lastly, I'll kind of do like a final mix, make sure everything kind of glues together so nothing's poking out. So
how's it going so far?
It's going good. They're very talented.
You've been around for generations. You hear the groanings of the nations, and in it all, you always lift us up. In it all, you always lift us up.
So yeah, obviously it costs a lot of money to produce an album like this, especially if you do want to make it high quality. And so we realized that there is an opportunity through the Alice Vanderkooy Fund that we can apply for special projects like this. And we were approved, and we are fully funded by the fund by the generous donation that Alice Vanderkooy left behind.
Well, if you love classical hymns and if you love praising God through very deep spoken poetry, I think this is the album for you.